Hello friends, so today I'm unboxing Hoka online size 10 Bondi 7 is model USA 10 UK at 8.5 Japan 27. So let's open them. So these ones are this color. Let's see, let's show BFBG. So they looks like this. So we are looking like this. We have nice. That will be for thumbnail. So we have nice color, light blue. The bottom part has a off-white and orange color, or it's like more reddish. Here we have parts that are more from some kind of different glue and stuff, like some plasticky material, and this is more mesh. Here we have those stripes too, to make it more designed, more shaped up. And model Bondi 7. We have pull-up tab, but looks like this. Here we have thicker part, thicker foam. We have removable sole. So it looks like this. And then it's like this inside. Because if you need to put some of your own sole, orthopedic or something, it's good to have a removable sole. We have a little bit arch support too. Some people say I don't. So yeah, I will try them on. To see if 10 is better off or 9.5. Because 9.5 is good, but one leg is a little longer and I slightly I feel the end of shoe of my, because I can feel the end of other. In the right leg it's they are slightly short. They look so when it comes to fashion. Some people complain, some not. The left one feel fine, right one feel fine, but on the lengthwise, left one is a little big actually. See, even half size big. Right one fine, I guess. Now I won't be thinking which one to return, because I bought 2 colors of them and I wanted to choose which one works better. Now I don't know, because these ones are a little bigger, so maybe way better. Also in this show you have 30 days that you can walk outside in them, and if you don't like you can return them. 30 days guarantee of comfort, or if you don't like the comfort of them you return and you pay. I should get the white fit, when they might be too big right here, because these ones are slightly, maybe they will be fine here. This part here. Will they good? Because they are like flat, so I don't know. Let's see. People are saying they're comfortable, but actually I think this one might be slightly more comfortable. This shoes one's from Hoka, because they also have thick sole and they are more fluffy, more cushiony. I think I can show you also how they look like here. It looks like this. So it looks like this. From Hoka. Wow. Maybe better. A little bit more comfortable. I'm not sure. Yeah, I feel like nothing pressing like on the when it comes to squishing, they are more slightly more, I think. This one's a little here tight. This one's no. Because these ones have this part that's up and make it this thing's not going out. Yeah, I think egg ones are more comfortable, but not sure. Maybe I need white ones in them. But then I heard this part is white too. So maybe I will be fine with these ones. Because very slightly, just slightly here, resonance might be just a matter of and these ones feels like they're slightly warmer than this. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.